Hey everyone, it's Leslie again, and today is my first week complete of my healthy skincare journey. Honestly, in a week, I've already seen a lot of changes in how my skin feels, moisture-wise, and just like the texture alone. Everything feels amazing. I used one of the face masks earlier on this week, so I'll let you guys see how that went. So today is, I don't know, day 4 or 3 of the skincare journey, and today I'm going to be doing the face mask. I just steamed my face, so now I'm going to put the Golden Glow.
No, not about you. This how it's gonna be, baby. I'm leaving you, baby. I'm looking good since I left you. Feeling good since I left you. You ain't right, so I left you. Looking left, you ain't right, boo. Ain't looking at you, looking past you. I'm looking good since I left you. It's cold, don't leave your licky no more. I'll be just fine, then I lie. Fall back is strong, I'm moving on. I had to grow, so I let you go. That way, heavy, watch it hit the floor. I'm leaving you in my review. All about me. No, not about you. This how it's gonna
So, after using the face mask, I didn't really wash my face off as well as I thought I did, and I was in a slight hurry to get to brunch. The people that I went to brunch with said that I was yellow, and so a big suggestion would just be to make sure that you do scrub your face completely and just use a toner when you're done to just get any excess mask off. So for the past week, my goal was 70 ounces of water a week. As you can see, I was a little inconsistent with that, but I think as the weeks go by, I will be trying to maintain that. So typically I will carry around 2 Voss water bottles a day. I'll drink one in the morning and then one at night. And then throughout the day at lunch, I'll have tea or a cup of water as well. And that kind of ends up equaling my 70 ounces. So that's been pretty good. It can definitely be better because I'm obviously not hitting my target, as you guys can see. And I have literally not worn makeup at all this week, which was really good. Today was surprisingly the very first day that I put any mascara on. And honestly, it didn't really change how I felt or anything like that. It was kind of just, I was going to a couple events today and I was like, you know what, let me just curl my eyelashes and put some mascara on. And the last thing that I said I was going to do this month was not touch my face. That has probably been my biggest struggle. At the beginning of the week, I was really good, didn't touch my face at all, didn't pick anything, nothing like that. But the closer I got, the more days went by, the more I felt like the need to pick. And so I ended up getting like one pimple right in the middle of my forehead, of course, because that's where they always go. So I got one pimple right there and like a little one popped up there. Typically I get like tons, but with using London Ivy products, I haven't, like, there's been a significant decrease in the amount of acne. And then my dark marks have been going away. But I did pick those, and so I'm gonna try not to do that as much as possible. You guys can hold me accountable. So that was my biggest struggle, but overall London Ivy products has changed my skin, and it's only been a week. My dark marks are decreasing, which is really, really nice. So I honestly can't wait for April. It's going to be amazing to finally have like nice, smooth, baby soft, clear, clean, healthy looking skin. I am so excited. So keep watching each week to see how my skin transforms throughout the month. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. All information that you may need will be in the description box below as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me, DM me on Instagram, leave it in the comment section, like anywhere you follow me, I will answer your questions. Anyways, I'll see you guys next week. Bye.
I'm feeling good since I left you.